Welcome to Real Channel Automotive, a place to help you understand the world of automotive mobility. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Polestar officially reveals the Polestar 3 electric performance SUV. Scandinavian minimalism and purity work together, with the key ingredients of a sport utility vehicle, defining the SUV for the electric age. Polestar 3 makes the SUV not only more relevant and responsible, but also desirable for all the right reasons. Polestar 3 premieres a new aerodynamic profile, where strong focus has been placed on retaining the hallmarks of an SUV, including a powerful and wide stance. This has been led by subtle yet effective aerodynamic optimization, including a front aero wing integrated into the bonnet, an aero wing integrated into the rear spoiler, and rear aero blades. The 3 is Polestar's biggest car, sharing its platform with the next-generation Volvo XC90 and riding on a 117.5-inch wheelbase. That makes it 3.5-inch longer between axles than a Porsche Cayenne and 0.8-inch longer than a Tesla Model X, but 4-inch shorter than a Rivian R1S, which, unlike the 5-seat Polestar, comes with a third row of chairs. It's also Polestar's priciest car yet. The entry-level car costs £79,900 in the UK and $83,900 in America. Polestar calls the 3 an aerodynamic performance electric SUV, and it boasts a corresponding drag coefficient of 0.29. It's not the slipperiest in the segment, admittedly. The Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV, 0.20, Tesla Model X, 0.24, and BMW iX, 0.25, all cut through the air with more ease, but it's certainly a strong option in the race for efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, underneath the Polestar 3's stylish, slippery body is a 400-volt EV architecture that houses a 111 kilowatt-hour battery pack and 2 electric motors. That gives the Polestar 3 an EPA estimated range of 300 miles in the US, with 250 kilowatt DC fast charging capabilities that will recharge the battery from 10 to 80% in just 30 minutes. That's the fastest in the class. A mechanical heat pump comes standard, which will maximize range and help precondition the battery, while the Polestar 3 also features bi-directional charging. That dual motor setup gives the Polestar 3 a healthy 489 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque, with the ability to hit 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds. Adding the $6,000 performance package bumps those figures to 517 horsepower and 671 pound-feet, and helps drop the 60 time to 4.5 seconds, while the performance pack also adds new 22-inch wheels, standard Pirelli P0 tires, 265 front and 295 rear, gold valve caps and seatbelts, and a range optimization drive mode. But the performance pack also drops the estimated range to 270 miles. A 14.5-inch touchscreen graces the center console with the latest version of Polestar's Android Automotive operating system. The setup features built-in Google Maps, Google's voice assistant over-the-air updates, and now wireless Apple CarPlay functionality for all the iPhone users out there. Both the Plus Pack and the Pilot Pack come standard on the dual-motor long-range model at launch, with the former adding a 25-speaker Bowers & Wilkins system, soft close doors, a heated steering wheel and rear seats, and fancier 22-inch wheels. The Pilot Pack gives you access to Polestar's latest and greatest active safety equipment, which includes Pilot Assist, Polestar's advanced adaptive cruise control with stop and go up to 80 miles per hour, Parking Assist, and a head-up display. The Polestar 3 will launch in the long-range, dual-motor trim exclusively. But rumor has it that more, hopefully more affordable, models will be available down the line. For now, the Polestar 3 starts at $85,300 with the $1,400 destination fee included. The $6,000 performance pack brings the total cost to $91,300. Polestar is currently taking pre-orders for the 3. but the first customer examples won't roll off the production floor until later in 2023. The first batch of Polestar 3s will be built in Volvo's Chengdu, China facility and should arrive with North American, European, and Chinese customers. But by the middle of 2024, 3s will also be rolling out of Volvo's Ridgeville, South Carolina factory. Would you take the Polestar 3 over a conventional combustion or hybrid SUV like the Porsche Cayenne or the all-electric Rivian R1S? Leave a comment and let us know.